Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel FreeTuber Mind. In this video, we are going to see about how to fix our mind in present moment. Before going into this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon near it so that you don't miss any video update. Time is an illusion. Only time is the eternal moment of now. We simply call it present moment. For better realization of ourselves and this physical world around us, we must fix our mind in this present moment. In order to successfully achieve this, first we have to understand the nature of the mind. Mind is chaotic in nature, jumps from one thought to another, like a monkey jumps from one tree to another. That's why in Buddhism, mind is often referred as monkey mind. Mind is nothing but a collection of thought. One after another, it emerges and shapes away our attention from the present moment to imaginary past or future. The mind can't live in this present moment. It needs an imaginary place to live. That is the past or future. In the present moment, only the pure experiences of what is happening right now can be experienced. In that time, the function of mind is limited. So it always tries to fix or live in the imaginary past or present. Then you may ask, why should I bother whether my mind is in the present or past? Because we are wasting our potential when the mind is wandering. Once we fix our mind in the present moment, that is where everything is happening. We can increase our concentration. If you are a student or if you are working, you have to complete any particular work. If you have a very good concentration, you can easily complete that work because the mind is the obstacle. We all have these experiences. Whenever we try to study, our mind started to wandering from here and there. It does not allow us to concentrate. We don't know what to do. In this video, I am going to tell you a very simple but effective technique to fix our wandering mind in the present moment. It may seem trivial to you, but you have to practice this technique and see for yourself whether it is working or not before completely rejecting it. So, to tackle this wandering mind, we have to first pay attention to this mind, because this simple awareness can stop mind from wandering. Simply watch the thoughts come and go. Don't react or attach to it. Just simply aware the mind and realize that the mind is chaotic in nature. Second step is to observe where our mind is right now. Sometimes it is in the imaginary past or in the future. Depending upon our issues, it jumps to past or future from present. For example, fear makes us focus more on future. Guilt makes us revisit the past and try to imaginarily correct it. Over and over again, it will replay in our mind. So, second step is to just aware right now where my mind is. Third step is, each time our mind wanders from present to past or future, bring it back to present. If you want, you can use a simple keyword like now or be here now or be the present, etc. Use this keyword to remind us from shift our focusing from past or future to present. This keyword you can simply repeat it, so that sometime we will be overwhelmed by our mind and forgot this exercise. So simple way to keep up this exercise is keep repeating this keyword. You can choose your own keywords. This keyword is the reminder for you to always fix your mind in this present moment. You can choose any keyword, but choose as simple as possible, and also it must be relevant to the present, and keep repeating it. Step number 4. It is the important step. Practice it daily. Practice it all your waking moment. Practice it, keep on practicing it. You cannot able to fix your mind in the present simply by listening to this video alone. You have to make it a habit. Make it a habit or fix it in your mind. You have to keep on practicing it. Tips for practice. Don't engage with your mind too much. We cannot win it over by our argument. Thought after thought, it emerges. We cannot defeat our mind using our mind. Simple way to defeat it is to shift our focus to present moment. In this way, we can reduce its two major dwelling place of imaginary past and present. What we experience in present moment is pure experience of the things as happening as it is. In that time, we don't need any additional voiceover from our mind to see what is happening right now. To achieve this stage of pure experiencing the things as it is, we have to practice this technique over and over. Once we have practiced it daily, it became habit, and last we can reach a state where we are fully aware of ourselves and the surrounding. We can simply experiencing the things happening as it is. Instead of the voiceover from our mind, we can simply watch and enjoy the pure experiencing as it is without this mental chattering. Conclusion. Fixing our mind in the present moment helps to realize the true meaning of everything. Things are happening in the present moment, not in the imaginary past or future. Shift our attention from past or future to present and live our life meaningfully.